Hi, and welcome back to another short video tutorial for searching on the Business Search Complete database. Thank you for joining this demonstration. My name is Jose Guzman. I am a featured librarian. It's a joy to talk to all first-year college students in attendance today. The purpose of this tutorial is to demonstrate to you, the FYE student, a less overwhelming way of searching this database and making the search process more manageable. This video demo will also help you to refine your search results to quickly narrow down to the super important scholarly journal that you need for your research. I will demo limiters before submitting searches via publication journals, browsing for a topic that appeals to you. I will dive into a subject index or control vocabulary via the thesaurus, searching for journals using the button along the blue navigation bar at the top of the page. Finally, I will use limiters after the results are presented, refining the search to find relevant journals. At the end of the presentation, I will appreciate all attendees to fill out a quick survey to further improve this tutorial. In addition, I will host a Q&A. Thank you. Let's get started. First, we're going to browse for a topic without submitting a search. You can select here or check here, and I'll show you another way to do that. If you look to the right, you can select academic journals. It brings you to a different page with all the publications, and you can limit or browse by type. Now, I'll show you another way to do this. If you select the top button here where it says publications, it brings you back to the same page. That's what I recommend. That's how I recommend you do that. You can limit by academic journals for scholarly journals, the very important scholarly journals we're looking for. You can search alphabetically here, or you can type in a term. We're going to type in Harvard and browse for that. We're looking for the Harvard Law Review that your professor recommend and that you use. And by selecting here, you can see the whole run, pretty much an extensive run of the journal. But we're going to also limit by years. So the last 5 years, you can select anywhere in the last 5 years, and this is a great way to browse the actual journal. If you don't have a topic yet, go ahead and select something that interests you and select PDF or full text so you can actually see the journal, the article in the journal, how it will look. Once you find a topic, you can go back home by clicking here, or clicking here will bring you back to the start page. And now I will dive in to a control vocabulary or index searching. Once you found your topic, this is a great way to narrow your search. The subject index is going to help us find the correct term to find relevant articles on our topic. Now we're going to select real estate. That's the topic I want to browse for, and the subject index is going to identify that we should not use real estate. Instead, we should use real property. I'm going to click on real property to see other options, and if I click there, it's going to show me other terms that I can use, and this is interesting to browse. But you can also click on explode to give us more options. It's actually going to select all of these in our search, but real property is broad enough, so I'm going to avoid that. I'm going to select here, and I'm going to add to the search. Now, it's only one term, so we don't have to worry about Boolean searching. Remember part 1, and we're going to search real property. Now, 42,000 G's. Guess what? We need to limit. On the left side, I'm going to show you how to narrow down and drill down. We're going to go from 42,000 to make this manageable, and we can select scholarly journals and drill that down even further. 4,000 still not quite manageable. Let's adjust to the last 5 years. That's what our professor wants us to find, Professor Steiner. Thank you. And we need to bring this down. Now, I could select subject, but what I actually enjoy doing is searching subject thesaurus, and voila, investments. That's where the money's at, right? 43 articles, relevant articles. Is it not what you came here for? Again, is it not what you came here for?